Renaissance fam, Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, y'all know the drill. If y'all are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. As y'all can see, we are back in the kitchen, so that means I got another banging recipe for y'all to try. Today we are making a similar recipe to my most successful video on YouTube, actually. So my most successful video on YouTube is the Cajun wife me crab legs that I did. It was a deep fried crab leg, snow crab leg. I fried the whole thing, the shell and all, and it kind of got a lot of good feedback. So we are doing a king crab leg this time, but we're gonna take the shell off, take all the meat out of the shell, and we're gonna deep fry them that way, all right? This is a very, very simple recipe to make, all right? Very, very simple. The hardest part about this recipe is actually buying the king crab legs, all right? These things cost more than the average person's shoes, which I don't get, all right? I bought probably 2 pounds of these, and they range from like $23 a pound to $30 a pound, which is ridiculous. It's just a water bug. So I'm sure there's plenty of them in the ocean. They just want to charge people an arm and a leg for these things, and it's pointless. But anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, to kick this thing off, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take all of this meat out of these gigantic king crabs, alright? So the best thing to have is some kitchen shears like these right here, nice and sharp. You just want to start here and just kind of work your way up. See how I'm doing that right there? Just work your way up it. Come all the way to that joint and keep going if you can. Your shears are sharp enough. Keep on going up that joint, and as you can see, you just open it like that, and there's all your meat right there. So we're gonna do this right here to every one of these bad boys, and take all of this expensive meat out of here, and we're gonna be left with some nuggets like this right here, and these are gonna be perfect for frying. Now all the meat that's in here, we're gonna use this for our creamy topping, our cream cheese topping. Not a cream cheese topping, but we're doing like a creamy sauce on the top. We're gonna top it with some of this crab right here. All right, because this is not gonna be friable. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be too small. So once we get all the big chunks out of these legs right here, we're gonna take this, and it's gonna be part of our creamy topping. All right. All right, guys. So here's the intact whole meat that I got out of the legs right here. This is what we're gonna use to make our fried king crab legs. All right, now this right here is all that meat I got out of those knuckles and those, I guess the top, I don't know what it's really called, but the top part of the crab that before you get to the actual legs. All right, so this is all gonna be some good meat here. I'm probably gonna make either some real good crab cakes out of this, a crab salad, or a crab linguine, something. I'm not gonna throw this away, because this right here, I actually like that part of the meat better than I actually like the legs. So we're gonna do something with this, but I haven't decided yet. But let's get to our main event over here. This is the main event right here. Alright guys, so with these bad boys, just try to be as gentle as possible, alright? We're gonna season them up. This is some garlic powder right here. I got some seafood rub, blend, whatever, by Kinder's. I didn't have any Old Bay, so this will do just as good, all right? And then we're gonna hit it with some Creole Seasoning by Tony. And then we wanna give these a gentle, and I mean gentle, just coat them a little bit on each other, just like that. y'all. So we're just gonna go step by step. It's gonna be dry mixture first, then we're gonna go to wet mixture, then we're gonna go back in the dry mixture, and we're gonna put it on the plate. All right. Alright guys, y'all know the drill. Food is done. We put in the hard work. Time to taste it, alright? Let's get to it. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's hands down the best thing I ever made. Alright? Hands down. Best thing I've ever made on this channel right here is right there. Alright? I highly encourage y'all to make this. This is not for everyone, but if you want to feel fancy one day, just one day, pick one day out the whole year. Let's say that. And if y'all want to be fancy one day out of the whole year and you want to ball out a little bit, go to Sam's, Costco, somewhere where you can buy these things wholesale to get the best deal possible with the best size possible with the freshest ones possible, okay? Go get you some, man, and do this right here. I'm telling you, dude, it's gonna change your life. My life has changed. I'm not even gonna mess with them snow crabs no more as far as frying them. Like, why would I do that? And I can do this. With that being said, y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching once again. All the support means the world to me. Make sure y'all hit that like button, share this video, leave some comments, man. I wanna hear what y'all think. Any errors I might have made, misguided information, I'm sorry, we'll address that later. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all check in on my website too. I got a lot of new merch up there, and we're doing the giveaway. I've decided, it's solidified. For the 2,000 subs, we are doing a giveaway. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. That's the only chance y'all gonna get at this giveaway. All right, I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is just yet, but we gonna figure it out. All right. So with that being said, y'all have a good one. Keep on learning, And I'll see y'all next time.